टॉड अभी कुकिंग कर रहे हैं तो इनसे पूछते हैं कि ये क्या पका रहे हैं। हाय टॉड।
हेलो।
क्या पका रहे हो?
फिश पकाने लगा हूँ।
ये देखें प्याज छील रहे हैं। ये फिश है, ये मशरूम्स हैं।
तुम खाओगी?
ऑफ कोर्स मैं भी खाऊंगी और खा के अपनी यूट्यूब फैमिली को बताऊंगी कि आपने कैसी फिश बनाई है। ठीक है?
ठीक है। So we're chopping some onions and we got some garlic and we got some mushrooms and we're gonna have a nice little fish dinner here. We got red snapper on the menu tonight. Yeah, that's a flower. So we got some coconut oil, MCT coconut oil. I'm gonna start this thing off. We'll throw our mushrooms, and our onions, and garlic in there. We're gonna do a little salt and pepper. We're gonna do a little butter. Kikoman. Kikoman is my favorite soy sauce. You know, Chef Gordon Ramsay, look out, I'm coming after you.
So this is your recipe, huh?
Well, it's a fairly simple recipe, but, you know, simplicity can be some of the best food.
Yeah.
It's simple, you know? Now we're going to cook the fish.
टॉड कितनी देर लगेगी?
थोड़ी देर लगेगी.
I'm hungry.
Me too. I'm going to do a little pepper. And we're going to do a little salt. Just to season them a little bit. And then we're going to throw them down onto the pot. Some garlic and butter. We're going to squeeze a little lemon in there. Get some nice lemon going. We've got some mushrooms there. Now we're just going to take our corn, a little bit of salt, some pepper. We're just going to put that in the microwave. Warm it up. Yes, and baby's getting hungry. Let's see if baby likes the mashed potatoes. Oh, he wants a corn.
Corn.
He's asking for a corn.
Oh wow, great. मजे किया ना?
I like it. I don't know if you like it or anyone else
I
like
like
it.
it too much.
But I like it. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Fish is perfect. So, if you want to get this recipe from me, no problem. Just send me $10,000 US. I'll get my bank account information to you later, and I will give you this recipe. No problem.
You already shared your recipe with them.
You're gonna miss out on the $10,000. Come on now. You don't tell all my secrets.
अच्छा तो गाइज़ ये था हमारा आज का व्लॉग जिसमें आपने टॉड की कुकिंग देखी। तो आप हमारे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, शेयर करें और कमेंट करें और बेल आइकन प्रेस ज़रूर दबाएं ताकि आपको हमारी आइंदा आने वाली वीडियोस के नोटिफिकेशन मिलते रहें।